Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the most versatile welding machines on the market, the Weldpro 200-amp Inverter Multi-Process Welder. If you're looking for a welder that can handle MIG, TIG, and stick welding with ease, all while supporting dual voltages of 110 volts and 220 volts, then you're in the right place. Let's start with what makes this welder stand out. The Weldpro 200-amp isn't just your average welder. It's a true multi-process powerhouse. Whether you're tackling light repairs or heavy-duty projects, this machine is up to the task. It supports MIG welding for versatility in material thicknesses, TIG welding for precise jobs, and stick welding for strong, structural welds. What I love about the Weldpro 200-amp is its user-friendly design. It features a dual digital display, making it easy to set and adjust amperage and wire speed. This ensures consistent welds every time, which is crucial for both beginners and seasoned welders alike. When it comes to build quality, Weldpro doesn't disappoint. The welder is compact and portable, yet robust enough to handle tough conditions. It's equipped with VRD high temp and overload protection, providing peace of mind during intense welding sessions. Plus, with a 3-year warranty, you know Weldpro stands behind their product. That wraps up our review of the Weldpro 200-amp Inverter Multi-Process Welder. Whether you're a hobbyist or a professional, this welder offers the versatility and reliability you need. Don't forget to check the link in the description for more information and current pricing. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on our latest videos. Until next time, happy welding!